Good morning from Trump International Hotel, Las Vegas. This is a really, really good view. Still wondering about the beach ball over there, but this morning got up, went to the gym. Today is Thursday. We're already all set up. We got here and set up last night, which was pretty cool. And this morning got up, went to the gym, here reading my Bible, and in a little bit we're gonna head to the racetrack. So one thing we're doing today is we're putting a fresh motor in the funny car, just freshening it up so that everything is good to go for this weekend. This is the old motor, this is the new motor that we're putting in. It's got mags and a rack in it, and it is all good to go. I'm 1000% sure this is OSHA approved. Good morning from Las Vegas, Nevada. We are back here in Vegas for the 4-wide Nationals, and the car just went up to the lanes. I am running a little bit slow this weekend. I'm not feeling the best, so I'm just now starting the video, but I am fixing to head up to the lanes, and let's go racing. What's up, Mr. Tyler?
What's up, buddy?
I don't know. Time to do race car stuff with my race car friends.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Haley.
What's up?
I don't know. Race cars. What'd you say?
So we're so lucky to do this cool stuff.
Yeah, we are. Deep Austin. Hanging out with Miss Haddock. Even if we have to hang out with that dork, it's still pretty fun.
That one right there.
That one right there.
I just figured out what your Halloween costume is and you have no idea yet.
What?
It's golden. Let's just say you and your dad are going to be matching.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy, my hat blew off.
Car, and I've seen you up at the top end, and some of the safety safaris come over, shook your hand, and when you see this consistency in the funny car, Terry, how much are you enjoying this?
You know, this is so much fun. I gotta say thank you to God and everybody that makes this happen, because I've been chasing this for 25 years, and a lot of people tell you to give up when things are hard or stop because it's too much or you're making bad decisions. I always try to teach McKailen, my sons, and Tyler, don't give up, you can get there, and kind of showing them, and it's a lot of fun, and it's even more rewarding because in the last week we've had so many fans and messages, and it's just overwhelming how many people are watching and you don't think care about what we're doing. So thank you to everybody who's watching, messaging us, putting up with us, and giving us money to keep this wreck running.
All right, so that was a interesting service and run. So the parachutes came out at like half track, and we think it was caused by Austin pressing the shutoff button, but the shutoff button didn't shut the car off, and there's all kinds of weird stuff that is above my pay grade. But then we get back to the pit, we're servicing it. We had every problem that we could have. We decided we needed to switch blowers, and then we had to fix the shutoff that was messed up and all kinds of stuff. But we're up here in the lanes. We're second pair, or second quadrant, I guess. I'm not sure who all we're running with. Right now we're 13th.
Right, that's good.
Tyler just pulls the clutch can off.
Oh, yeah.
That is very colorful. That is amazing. That's awesome. Alright, got a fresh rack in the car. Head and everything over here is nearly ready to go. We have the header off the head because we've been burning through header gaskets like crazy. So we looked at it closer and it turns out the header is warped, which isn't good. So we're gonna put a different set of headers on for tomorrow so that we stop burning through the header gaskets like crazy because they're expensive. I'd actually have to ask Dad how much they are a piece, but something that gets blown through in 4 seconds, not bueno. I talked to Dad and the header gaskets are $20 a piece. So if you're going through 2 of those each run, you make 4, 5, 6, 7 runs in a weekend, adds up quickly. So Tyler's been over here coloring his nuts, and after looking at them, I think I figured out which ones he colored and which ones he needs to use. That one and that one.
Should have thought this one through. We'll make Anthony clean it, do it over. Just paint.
Yes.
Time and effort.
What'd you do wrong?
Nothing. No, I needed to paint these so that way these little guys don't have the washer welded to them. See? So we know that these bad boys go clink clank, clink clank. And I don't look as stupid when I put the pan back on.
As stupid.
As stupid, yeah. No, it looks stupid still.
Nice.
I should have my mouth open.
Nice.
Drooling into the clutch pack.
Alright, let's put it together. Sans headers, because Dad has to go find header gaskets for us. And just like that, it looks like a car again. It has headers. Pretty much all that is left is for Johnny to adjust the valves and to put the belt on. So I'm gonna pack my tools up so that we can go home. It's only 6:21. I'm not gonna know what to do with all this free time. It's weird. We've had problems all day of the safety shutoff switch not working for the funny cars, so we've got a crew here fixing it. Kind of cool to watch.
Story of the race from Pomona. Made the semifinal for the second time in his career, but the first time he had to win 2 consecutive rounds with opponents in each lane to get there.
Parachutes out.
Alexander will not complete the run, but Cruz Pentagon 391.0.
Yeah.
So that's why but it wasn't working even properly there. Anyways, you can see it working the valve. It wasn't completely
What an awesome view here from the hotel room. This weekend we're getting to stay at Trump Tower again. And if you didn't see last year's video, this place is freaking insane. I had to wait till we got back and watch some of the qualifying show, and I took a shower before I could finish this video because I have felt like death all day. I've been sick and just not bueno. But one thing that helped me feel better, and it is so strange, but the showers here at Trump Tower are on another level. It's like God is sending water down from the heavens and pouring it over your body in the shower. I'm telling you, it is amazing. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So today the cars ran, the car, it's weird saying that, I'm still getting used to that. The car ran a 4:36 the first session and then a 4:10 the second session, and both times the safety shutoff switch didn't work, which Johnny and Dad spent a little bit figuring out tonight, and it should work from now on. But just keeping running solid low 4 passes is going to be what keeps us going. We got to just keep being consistent. We got to just keep going and keep running our race and not worry about being a low 390s car, because that's just we're not there yet. We will eventually work our way into the 395, 398 range, but it's going to take some time, and that's all part of it. It's a cool process. One thing I forgot to mention last weekend is I'm glad we didn't win, because God has a plan for all of our lives, and I believe what race we win, when we win, who we win with is part of that. And last weekend, if we had gone out and won, it sounds horrible to say, but it's realistic. We all would have gotten super cocky and gone out this weekend thinking we're awesome, and that's how mistakes are made. So we've got to earn it and take our time, and we'll get there. It's a process. I am so excited to see where the rest of this year leads. It's been amazing already. I'm excited to see where this weekend leads. And on that note, never give up. I'm going to go to bed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the morning. It's going to be an awesome day. Let's go racing. Never give up.